Si waggulu bw'oti then okomyewo wano nga tujja mu Rwanda.
Genda wali mu karo kali.
Njala kumalira wano no wakati.
Hello. Wanji.
Zije?
Je twise bosibetana.
Yeah. How are you? This is my colleague. He's a vet colleague, and today I came to visit him. But I was surprised that the guy is really doing a lot of agronomy here, and I really wonder. This is sweet pepper actually. I didn't know that this guy is really doing such perfect job. So this goes back to the youth or to the professionals that we really need to understand this. This doesn't mean that what you get the qualifications in is the only route where you can get money from. But you can get money from any project that you really get devoted to. That's why I told you, I have my 9 professional Ds, but one of the Ds is devotion, dedicated. Then final at the end, there is what they call dollars. Dollars is the last D. But before you go to D, there is a lot of Ds that you need to go through. So this guy is really earning a lot of money, not in his, he's earning a lot of money in this project. So he's devoted. I didn't know that this kind of people really happen in the country. So I thought all people will be doing goat farming, but it's not that. So now even this, I'm also going to start doing this as a side business. And this goes to the young, to the youth, that let's be devoted to any project that we see across. Definitely, Uganda is really gold. That's what I was telling you. Whichever section we go in, when you look at agronomy, it's really doing perfect. When you look at animal husbandry, it's really doing perfect. But I really wonder, why are we one of the poorest guys wherever we go? And we think that we are poor when we really have this kind of stuff in our country. So, Dr. Waluz, I'm really so happy and inspired. I really need to show these guys, these young youth, such that they can know that we can really do perfect job.
Welcome.
Yeah, and if we really need, maybe if you have any word that you can as well tell to the country.
My name, I'm Dr. Emmanuel Walusimbi. We have a company, Waluz Greenhouse Solutions and Farms. We do a lot of indoor protected cultivation of vegetables. We majorly specialize in sweet peppers, yellow and red, which has got good market. The urban markets in Kampala, the cities and the hotels at large. So if you want to learn, feel free to visit us. We are located in Irengo. Yeah, you can come anytime and we share.
So you see, what I always tell you people, that you give out information so that other people can learn and also do. So he has been earning a lot of money, not knowing that he's getting a lot of money from the other angle. So perfectly, he's giving out information. Some other people can also do, and do their perfect job. Thank you very much. I think, let me wish you the best, and this is what we have for today. You want to talk through? You want to go